Experience powerful sound, long battery life, and a comfortable fit with the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds. Perfect for workouts, calls, and daily use, they deliver clear audio and reliable performance anywhere you go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. Product overview. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Open the case and pick up the earbuds after 3 seconds. They enter pairing mode. The LED will flash white and red continuously while the other blinks white slowly. Turn on Bluetooth, select A90 Pro, and connect. Smart features? Enjoy a fast, stable, and low-latency connection for seamless music and calls. Supports up to 15 meters range, keeping your audio uninterrupted whether at home, office, or on the move. Offers around 6 to 8 hours of playback on a single charge for all-day listening. With the charging case, total battery life can reach up to about 36 hours, so you're powered through work, workouts, and travel. Large drivers deliver deep bass, crisp mids, and clear highs for an immersive audio experience. Perfect for music, movies, and calls, they bring out rich, dynamic sound no matter what you're listening to. Filters out background noise so your voice comes through clear during calls. Ideal for busy environments, ensuring smooth conversations whether you're indoors or outdoors. Protects the earbuds from sweat, rain, and splashes, making them perfect for workouts and outdoor use. You can enjoy music or calls without worry, even in wet or humid conditions. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds. See you at the next one.